everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be creating this look. इस लुक में मैंने फाउंडेशन बिल्कुल भी यूज़ नहीं किया है. मेरा आइडिया जो था इस लुक को क्रिएट करने के पीछे वो बहुत ही सिंपल था. मुझे एक ऐसा लुक क्रिएट करना था जिसमें बहुत ही कम प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ हो, स्पेशली आपके जो इम्पॉर्टेंट एरियाज़ है वो कवर हो और आप एट द सेम टाइम बहुत ग्लैमरस भी लगे. तो मैंने इसीलिए ये वाला लुक क्रिएट किया है. ये लुक जो है बहुत ही रियलिस्टिक है. इस मेकअप को आप एवरीडे कर सकते हैं ऑफिस या कॉलेज जाने के लिए. यू नीड टू जस्ट स्किप सम ऑफ द स्टेप्स which I have done, or if you want this look to be more glamorous you can add on some of the steps. It totally depends on your choice and preferences. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So without much blabbering, let's just jump into the video. I have already moisturized my face using Hydravo Moisturiser, and for primer I'm going to be using Maybelline One Day Perfect Prime and apply this primer onto my face. This primer has SPF into it, which is great. Now I'm going to be using W7 Got It Covered Concealer Palette, and I'm going to be using these two shades, and I'm going to cover my dark circles, and I'm also going to cover all the areas where I have pigmentation, dark spots. Basically I'm gonna cover all my flaws, facial flaws, with this palette. This palette is a really great palette. It's very affordable and very good to work with. If you are not a foundation person, then just go and get this palette and you are good to go. The coverage of this palette is also very nice, as you can see the difference of both the eyes, and it blends easily. You can also build the coverage of this concealer if you want. To be honest, I wasn't expecting so much with this palette, but really when I used it I realized that this is very nice palette. And if you are planning to buy this sort of palette, so just give this concealer palette a shot. You won't regret. And this palette is really very apt for your day-to-day makeup. If you are not using any sort of foundation, just apply the shades of this concealer the shades of this concealer onto your problematic areas and set it with powder, and you are good to go whole day. I mean, believe me guys, this makeup lasted me so long and it was looking so natural. I mean, everyone complimented me that you are looking very beautiful today, and it seems that you haven't done anything. So that's something I really die for. Now I'm gonna be using this shade from the Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm gonna set my under eye with this, and I'm also gonna set places where I have applied concealer with this powder, and later on I'm gonna dust it off the powder which is underneath my under eye area, and I'm gonna fill in my brows using Miss Claire brow pencil. As you can see, I have already thick brows, so I'm just gonna fill the dispersed areas of my brows. And on a regular basis I just don't like going with very dark onto my brows. I keep it very simple and natural. Now I'm gonna set my face using Maybelline compact powder, and at the same time I'm also gonna dust off all the powder which I have applied before, as you can see underneath my under eye area. And with the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Bronzer, I'm gonna contour my face. I'm going to be contouring usual areas like hollows of my cheeks, jawline, forehead, nose. You guys know all the drill, so there's nothing to say on it. I'm going to be using same bronzer shade and apply that shade onto my crease area of my eye. So this will provide depth to my eyes and my eyes will look more wide and big. And I'm gonna be apply same bronzer shade onto the lower lash line of my eye. Now I'm gonna be using W7 Hollywood Bronze and Glow Duo and apply that highlighter shade onto the middle of my eyelid. And with the same highlighter shade from the duo, I'm gonna be highlighting highest points of my face, that is cheekbones, bridge of the nose, forehead, cupid's bow, chin, brow bone, as well as inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm gonna be using Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine and apply that onto the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm going to be applying eyeliner onto the lower and upper waterline of my eye, and I'm using Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. And I'm also gonna apply thin liner onto the upper lash line of my eye, and later on I'm gonna smudge that with a brush. From few days I am quite obsessed with smudged liner actually. I don't know, I just really like doing smudged liner these days rather than doing a liner thing. And for lashes I'm going to be using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara and apply decent coats of mascara onto my lashes. And for lips I'm going to be using Nyx Lip Lingerie in the shade Exotic. And later on I went with Maybelline color Sensational lipstick. I don't remember the shade name of this lipstick, but all the details of the products will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you check that. And now I'm gonna set my face using LA Colors setting spray, and this is the best and affordable setting spray available in the market. So this is our final look for this video. Just मुझे 15 minutes लगे ये makeup look create करने में, and I haven't used any kind of foundation as you have already seen. ये look अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो please इसे like ज़रूर करिएगा, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you all super soon in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, stay happy and spread happiness.